Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to style this absolutely beautiful kinky straight headband wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm really excited to show you guys how I was able to style this kinky wig. This kinky wig is absolutely beautiful, and the length is something else. It's really long, and you know the great thing, it matches with our 4C natural hair. You can just use the hot iron to straighten your hair a little bit, comb your hair, straighten it a little bit, and then put on the headband wig and comb your hair all to the back, and it will look as if you have a very long hair. Or if you don't want to do that, you want to do the normal headband style, it's just to brush your hair, wear the headband, and put on this. It comes with different headbands, come with 3 different beautiful headbands. So you just wear it, the wig, put on your headband, and leave the house. It's as simple as that, and it's absolutely beautiful. Very soft, very long. I got the very long length. I'm absolutely loving this wig. This wig is from OMG, our hair company. I'm gonna put all the specs and the links and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the hair. So the wig came with this hair accessories, these beautiful headbands, and also a wig cap and the comb. So this is what the wig looks like. It's a kinky straight wig. As you guys can see, it's really long, and it's very beautiful and really soft as well. So first of all, I decided to apply a little bit of hair cream on my hair. And then I went ahead to comb my hair. And then I went ahead to pack my hair. So I'll be applying my jam on my edges to slick down my edges very well. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. So you guys can see the wig looks so beautiful, and it fits our natural hair, like it blends with my hair as well. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my first headband. You guys can see it's really nice. I love these headbands, they're so beautiful. And then I'll be putting on the second headband. And then I'm gonna put the hair in a ponytail. And as you guys can see, it's very lovely. right here I've decided to create another style. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them round like so. And then I'll be securing them with the pin. And this is what it looks like, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love this style. It's very lovely. And yes, guys, that's what it's gonna be for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.